Hello everyone, my name is Shade, and today I'm gonna explain why Malaysia is wrong about the tornado. That's not a landspout, that's literally a tornado. Let me explain to you for once. Only cumulus clouds can form a landspout. These tornadoes, yes, still tornadoes, form from the ground up and have a dusty vortex. Malaysia is humid and hardly gets many landspouts. Landspouts here are weak. Tornadoes, on the other hand, form from towering cumulonimbus clouds, from supercells with rotating updrafts that rising warm air makes vertical. Proof is clear. Malaysia's landspouts are far more narrower, dusty, or watery. Tornadoes are full condensation spirals. They don't care if the land is flat or not. And recently, the Sijangkang tornado proved EF4 damage indicators. Don't be dumb, Malaysia. EF rating isn't about speed. It's about damage indicators. Recently, a 51-year-old woman was trapped under rubble when the Sijangkang EF4 hit. Thankfully, she survived with severe injuries. Thank you, Malaysia, for making us hesitate to take shelter and for not training the public. You should be ashamed. Mislabeling spirals isn't science, it's betrayal. Shelter delayed is shelter denied. Thank you for watching this short. I hope it's educational for everyone. Be safe there, guys. Okay? Remember, the EF rating isn't about speed, it's about damage indicators. So be safe there and warn others if you see funnel clouds. If you see a tornado-like storm, that's not a tornado-like. If it's a landspout or a tornado, it's still a tornado. Okay? Bye. See you next time. From Shade. Peace out and take care of yourself. And don't worry, don't forget to subscribe.